Before operation, please power off the machine. Make sure the control cabinet door is closed. Prepare a hydraulic forklift. Insert the forklift into the bottom of the machine. Ensure machine at the middle position. Lift up the machine. Rotate the upper part of the wheel clockwise to remove it. You can rotate the nut to upper or lower position to adjust machine level. Prepare a new leveling caster to install. Rotate the upper part of the wheel counterclockwise to install. Make sure the wheel can rotate freely. Lower the machine gently. Rotate the gear counterclockwise to fix the wheel.